Hello and welcome back to Subearu. Today we'll be changing the cabin air filter on this 2020 Nissan Altima. Let's get started. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side, so we'll need to open up the passenger side door, and it's located behind the glove box. Get the removal tool under the dash trim and pull. There we go. Now that the side trim is gone, let's remove the glove box. We want to open the glove box, and there's going to be 5 screws. We want to remove these screws with our Phillips head screwdriver. With the 5 screws out and the panel off, we can now take out the glove box. Here's what it looks like without a glove box. I'll get that out of the way. Here's the cabin air filter. So we just want to lift this tab on the side. Boom. So notice how the cabin air filter has an arrow that's facing down. So we want to make sure that the new cabin air filter is also facing down. Alright, let's take out the old filter, see what it looks like. Alright. Let's put in the cabin air filter. New filter versus the old filter. Got the wrong cabin air filters.
Left onto Bloomberg Lane.
Yep. The cabin air filter didn't fit, so we're going back to the parts store to get the correct one. Never mind. You're supposed to turn left there.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto...
Alright, hopefully this is the right one. Alright, let's put this in. Alright, now we can put the glove box back in. Alright, we want to start by pushing these tabs right back in here. We're done. So we want to take our 3 screws and put them in the top 3 spots. Done. Now you just gotta enjoy the air conditioning. Crap. Not done. We'll want to put on this last panel. It'll just clip right back into place. There we go. Here's the outro. You should change your cabin air filter about every 15,000 miles or when it just starts getting stinky. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Subearu content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye.